All right, Trez, hello and welcome back. I'm not recording with the webcam, unfortunately. I'm using Camtasia 2020, and what I'll touch upon is a few charts of interest for next week, as well as what happened last week. So I'm going to have to combine the end of week review and the watch list just because, just in case I don't get a chance to make a video tomorrow. I do apologize for not making more videos. It's been a while. Let's actually, going forward, we'll bring up the Aussie dollar to start with. So I am actually posting to a private forum now as well. So Forex Trading Asia. So it's not a free site either. So I don't know the details. They had to be worked out. But we're in the beta testing phase of the site. So I am devoting my attention to that a little bit more. And it has been very busy at work. So I do work another job. I'm not just a full-time trader, which I was. Unfortunately, that's not the case. All right, Aussie dollar. Let's bring up the daily chart here. So I took a short here as it was breaking through 71.40. If we go to the 4-hour, you'll sort of see it's a bit of a fake out. And yeah, so I was shorting here, got stopped out, small loss. I was shorting again, and that was a break even. Probably could have taken profit, but I just thought it was going to have to take profit down here at around 70.60 or 70.70, sorry. Had another short after that was a break even, and then it shot off, and then that was a full size loss there. So unfortunately, then I didn't chase it again as it was really looking a bit indecisive, and I think that was reflected in the US index as well. We'll bring that up. I did make a video. I've got another software, Screencast-O-Matic version 2. The problem with this Camtasia is I gotta have to buy the full license again. So I've got it on my other laptop that I bought. I bought Camtasia about 6 months ago. The other laptop is just terrible. It's like a 7-year-old Asus. So that's about as helpful as an ashtray on a motorbike to try and upload a decent video. So it really doesn't work right now. So with the US index, and what I'm looking at is it really hasn't been able to get through 93.39. So I'm long biased on the Aussie is my main play. Gold, I'll bring that up. I traded gold on one of my prop accounts as well. It broke through here, it held through here, and I shorted at around 2002 as it sort of closed near the low, and I got pretty lucky. It just collapsed. It really did collapse aggressively, and that was a great trade. So that was a 1-lot position. Now it's sort of looking short again. It hasn't been able to get through 60, so we'll see. It's a point of interest down here as well. This is just SFL on TradingView. I've been messing around with this for a while now, and I'm liking it. And I like the levels, and it just keeps me in check because sometimes I'm a bit inconsistent with my levels, and it's just, it keeps me calibrated and objective. Let's bring up the euro as well. We'll also actually get Bitcoin up too. Let's talk about that. Briefly, I've actually been trading the Bitcoin future contracts as well for a prop firm. So we'll bring that up. Although this week, the weekend stuff is very flat. I need to probably catch up on some sleep, to be fair. So that's what I'll be doing. Look, the Euro-US dollar is holding up again. It's like the Aussie, how it closed on the daily. So let's bring up the daily, actually. Pardon me, that was the 4-hour. So yeah, guys, there is exclusive content going out on Forex Trading Asia. I will send links once the site's live. It will be Monday, so I'll probably actually make an update video tomorrow about that as well. I write articles as well. Look, I'm really relentless this year. Like, I really am. So, and this was of my benefit. It's a great environment to be involved in, so I am pursuing that. And they do managed accounts as well, and they are operating for Australian investors as well. And I will be investing, and I'll be updating on all the performances that is incurred on the account as well. Fully transparent, like always, guys. So Euro US dollar, it sort of looks long, and we'll have a look at the pound, and then Aussie Kiwi to finish. Aussie Kiwi to finish. No, more. That's weakness there. There's a sign of rejection there, so we'll leave that be. That's going to get a bit wild, I think. So the pound is, I think, the worst recession they've ever had since, I can't remember the article, but it was quite interesting. Let's go to Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi, actually, I took on the prop account as well with FTMO. Haven't been talking about that about much because I just haven't had time to talk about that. To be honest, it's been so crazy. Like I said, I'm in a crypto prop firm course as well that I do in the evenings when I have time, and I'm going to catch up with that probably tonight. I'm probably going to have a coffee. 7:40 at night. I will do that. Rain stops, I'll get some dinner. So that's the Aussie Kiwi, and yeah, look. If we go to the weekly, you'll see what I'm talking about, and go to the monthly. There's a bit of room to run still, so I'm interested in this. There we go, 111. Yeah. Apply the SFL here. So you just search SFL. Apparently the SFL doesn't work on the monthly. Let's go to the 4 hour. There we go. Nice. So really, I mean, it's an aggressive entry just to buy. Ideally, it pulls back a little bit. Let's go to like the 1 hour and see if there's another area. Maybe back down to here, like 109, 168. And again, guys, I write articles for Forex Trading Asia, so I will be talking about that in more detail. And this will be sort of like the style of videos that I'm doing, plus written articles with screenshots and everything. And yeah, I'm determined to make this a great end to 2020, every way possible, guys. So stay tuned for more updates on some significant investments and some capital injection to trading accounts and various things. So lots is happening to finish. Lots of things are happening to finish the year off. I can't believe how fast the year's gone. I remember this time last year I was in Deqing, China. Deqing is about, gosh, maybe like a 3 hour flight north of Beijing in China. And then, then I was, in about 2 weeks I was back in Beijing and then off to Calgary in Canada. That was a terrific time, to be honest. But here I am in the office of a gym back in Perth, and I've been back since December 18th. So I've nearly been back 8 months, which is crazy. It's gone so fast, so fast. All right, guys, that's the video. So the main plays: gold potentially short, Aussie long, Aussie Kiwi long. Even though the Aussie dollar is positively correlated with gold, right now it's not following that rule. So, risk is still on. So I would say Aussie dollar and the index, like I've shown you. I'll finish with the index here, guys. This is a longer video than I wanted to make. It's still holding down, So I'm looking at Aussie long here with the index looking short still. All right, that's the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.